Alright, this is the kitchen floor, and it looks good. Unfortunately, it does not sound good. The rest of it is okay, but that section needs to be tightened up so it doesn't squeak anymore. So that's what I'm going to go through today. I'm going to crawl under the crawl space and see if I can fix these squeaking floorboards. Okay, so I set up little X's with painter's tape on where the biggest areas of squeak are. And you can tell, you put your foot on there, it squeaks the most. And here, this one's not that bad, but I can hear a little bit. Mostly they're 1/16 inches apart. So when you go underneath the floor, you can have a partner go over and step on these spots for you, and then you can hear. Okay, so these are the tools I'm going to be using as I'm crawling underneath the house. We got the caulk gun, and we're going to be using this subfloor adhesive. I'm going to be also bringing a little handsaw, tape measure. It's going to be in the dark, so I'm bringing this headlamp and another lamp. I'm not sure I'll need this at all, so this will probably not come with me. I'll just be using this. A hammer, some wood shims, and since we're down underneath where there is insulation underneath the floor, I'll also take some of these insulation supports. In case I see any insulation drooping, I can put these up there. And then finally I'll be taking this dust mask underneath as well. Okay, this is the entrance to my crawl space. And let's go in. All right.
Once you're in the crawl space, you're going to want to crawl to the approximate spot where you think the squeaking is. And this is where having a partner is going to come in handy. While you're in the crawl space underneath,
Okay, can you start squeaking?
they can be helping you find the trouble spots from above.
So there's one. Good. Good.
Once you know where the squeaking is, you can take down the insulation in that area so you have a better view of the joists and the floorboards.
All right, this is our first problem board. Between here and here, I have some shims that I just stuck through where I can. And I'm gonna hammer these in a bit. Yeah, it's way too easy to get those shims in there. That's an issue. And now, actually, I'm gonna cut off the ends here. We don't really need these up here. Okay. Now I got the shims in there. I'm going to load in the subfloor glue. Now once I got a bead up there, I'm just going to use this shim to scrape off the excess and get that in there. And then once we finish with this section, gluing it up, we're going to put the insulation back up.
Go ahead and repeat this process of putting in shims and then sliding in subfloor glue in between any of the areas that were squeaking. Once we're done, we can start to work our way out.
Okay, it's been 2 days since I've been under the house, and these are the spots. I've given the glue some time to dry, and we're going to try it out to hear if we still have any squeaks. That's good. little bit. So that's a huge improvement. I'm pretty happy with it.